Hello everyone, welcome back. Are you eager to fine-tune your reports in NetSuite to better suit your business needs? In this video, we'll show you how to enhance your reports using NetSuite's customization features to make them visually appealing and informative. NetSuite offers a plethora of features enabling you to personalize the reports according to your unique business requirements. From customizing layouts to integrating filters and calculations, options are limitless. With NetSuite, we can craft visually stunning reports that furnish you with the insights needed to make informed business decisions. NetSuite provides an extensive range of customization options for your reports. Customize report layouts, add and remove data fields, create custom metrics, utilize filters and groupings, personalize report headers and footers. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through accessing, identifying, and customizing standard reports. Keep watching for practical tips and real-life examples designed to enhance your expertise in mastering saved search formulas. If we select the report option, it will present the standard reports. Within this section, we'll find all the standard reports, which are already available in NetSuite. Now, let's proceed to explore the navigation. Within the report option, we have access to a range of features such as new reports, saved reports, inventory item reports, and sales reports, among others. Now, let's delve into the Sales by Customer report, which presents sales data for each customer individually. To locate it, simply navigate to Reports, Sales, Sales by Customer. In the summary of the Sales by Customer report, we observe the names of customers alongside their respective sales figures. Furthermore, beneath this, we have the option to tailor the date range, enabling us to focus on the sales of specific customers within a designated time period. Clicking Customize allows us to personalize this standard report. Within the customization interface, we find sections like Edit Columns, Filters, Sorting, and more options. In the Edit Columns section, we can include specific fields in the results by utilizing the Search field option, such as the Customer field and Sales field. The Customer Project option includes customer-related fields. Here, we choose the customer's email, demonstrated in the appended section. Furthermore, within the Sales option, under Add Fields, click Name and Date Created, which has been included as well. The option labeled Move Left shifts the field column to the left, while the Move Right option shifts it to the right. Selecting the Remove Column option deletes the chosen field. Following this, within the Filters section, we have the option to define specific filters for the report. The two standard filters already included here. Should we desire a filter to be visible in the result itself, we must mark the Show in Filter Region checkbox accordingly. Here, we're adding a filter under Sales. After selecting the field, let's opt for Sales Rep. This pop-up enables us to make the selection. Click on the list option provided. Within the pop-up, we have the ability to search for the sales rep's name. Let's look for Willow Clark and then proceed to select the sales rep. Once done, ensure to check the Show in Filter Region checkbox to have the filter displayed. Click OK to confirm. Following that, we'll proceed to the Sorting section where the customer has already been grouped. We can now incorporate the date created and arrange it in descending order. Currently, we find ourselves in the More Options section. Here, we have the opportunity to modify the report's name and explore a multitude of additional features. Within the Audience tab, we possess the capability to designate who may view this report by configuring permissions. Enabling the Roles checkbox grants access to the report for all roles, mirroring the functionality of the Employee checkbox. Furthermore, within the Access tab, we can designate specific roles, subsidiaries, employees, partners, groups, and departments to control access to this report. Let's revisit Sorting section, enter the name, and then click Save. Modify the report's name to your preference for saving it. I'm designating this report as Customer Sales for the last year and saving it accordingly. The result will be displayed here by customer, sales, email, sales rep name, and date created. To view the report, click on Reports, Saved Reports, Customer Sales for the last year. Here's the report on customer sales for the last year. Customizing the reports can help us to gain a deeper understanding of our business performance. By using the features available, we can create reports that are tailored to our unique requirements. Start customizing your reports today and unlock valuable insights for your business. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful in streamlining your business processes. Remember to like and subscribe for more insightful tips and tutorials on leveraging technology to optimize your operations. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, happy optimizing!